Are you tired of tangled cables ruining your outdoor security installations? Looking for a seamless solution that organizes and protects your setup? Say hello to the game changer Junction boxes. This weatherproof CCTV accessory provides a myriad of solutions to common outdoor security installation problems. In this video, we're gonna go over the benefits of Junction boxes, then we're gonna unbox one and install it. To start, what exactly are Junction boxes? Junction boxes are metal enclosures that serve the dual purpose of housing cable connections for security cameras, all the while providing a platform to mount the cameras themselves. Now let's go over some of the benefits that Junction boxes provide. First being protection and waterproofing. Junction boxes provide safe housing for your camera's wiring connections. It effectively shields the cables from dust, moisture, and other environmental factors, ensuring the camera's longevity and reliability. The durable metal covering also provides protection from vandalism. The next benefit is cable management. Junction boxes allow you to neatly organize and manage your camera's cables, preventing them from being exposed and potentially getting damaged. And because of this, the installation will be clean and professional. The next benefit is easy access for maintenance. Junction boxes simplify maintenance and troubleshooting processes. Because all of the cables are in one place, they provide quick access to camera connections, making it easier to inspect and repair as needed. Last benefit is flexibility. Junction boxes allow for flexible camera installation. Some installers will use Junction boxes when they need the camera off the wall a little bit, or to not have the wall or installation surface show up on the camera's field of view. A possible con for Junction boxes could be cost. Junction boxes will add to the overall cost of your installation, but luckily that only means an extra 10 to 40 bucks per box. In the grand scheme of things, the pros, in my opinion, definitely outweigh the cons. Now that you're more familiar with Junction boxes as a whole, let's go ahead and unbox one. This one is the JBBT from our series and is pretty dang popular on our website. So as you can see, there is the mounting template. Here are screws with drywall anchors. These are for drilling your Junction box to the spot where you want to install your camera. Depending on where you're installing it, you might not need to use the anchors. Here we have some screws for securing the camera itself to the Junction box and a hex wrench. Here is the box itself. Now, Junction boxes come in all shapes and sizes. Some will be specifically tailored for certain form factors, so it's important to do your own research before buying a Junction box. Side note, on the product pages of every security camera from our website, you will be able to find the compatible accessories in the related products section. This one in particular is made for multiple different form factors, specifically bullet and turret R-series cameras. As you can see, there are 3-hole and 4-hole screw mount patterns. So now we are going to take our provided hex wrench and unscrew these screws. Inside the box, we have a few things. Here is the nylon 3/4 inch waterproof cable connector, rubber gasket with a slit used for sealing, and a little waterproof cover to screw into either hole on the side or back depending on where you'll need it. On the front plate of the Junction box, we also have a rubber seal here for snaking the camera cable through. Let's take a look at the cable connector. We can unscrew the sealing nut here and unscrew the lock washer, which we won't really be needing. This is the body, and here's a little rubber washer. So say you want to run your cables out through the side of the Junction box. That is where the waterproof cable connector comes in handy. You would just screw it into the pre-threaded hole on the side and have the Ethernet cable run through it. And of course, you would have your back hole sealed by the waterproof cover. But if you decide to have the cable come from the back of the Junction box, you just wouldn't use the cable connector and seal up the hole instead. Pretty straightforward. So now that we unboxed everything, let's go ahead and get it installed so we can see how it would work with the security camera. We will be installing the Junction box with cables coming out of the side hole, so we need to seal up the back hole with our waterproof cover. Before anything else, let's set up our waterproof cable connector. Stick your Ethernet cable through the sealing nut along with the rubber gasket. Now get the body of the connector and just screw it in. Now you can screw the body into the side hole and adjust accordingly to get your Ethernet cable where you want it. Even though the junction box is weatherproof, most security professionals will use sealants, such as silicone caulk, to secure any points of access and cable connections for an extra layer of protection. Now, let's install the junction box to the wall. First thing we're going to do is prepare where we want to install the box. You can use the mounting template or mark the holes where you need to drill with a pencil. Now that we have the spot, use the provided screws and drill them into the wall. Today we're working with the M5T from our series. Put the cable connections through the front plate of the junction box like so. Once the camera is ready, connect the camera to the Ethernet cable. Neatly tuck the cables into the junction box. Use the hex wrench to secure the front plate of the junction box. And install the mounting plate to the rest of the junction box. Remember to securely plug the front of the junction box with the rubber seal. Fasten the retaining collar and tightening ring to the security camera. And there you have it. I hope you learned a thing or two about junction boxes. Hopefully we helped you figure out everything you need to know. Got a question? Drop them down in the comments below or reach out to our tech team for support. Leave a like if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.